Hello, my fabulous financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. Today we will be unstuffing what's left over in gas. I roll over what's in my spending. We will be stuffing my cash envelopes that go in my wallet for the bi-weekly period, as well as stuffing our Fri-Yay challenge from SimpleShopz. If we have enough time, we will go on ahead and use some of our placeholders that are available in my Etsy shop to condense our Fri-Yay challenge because it's getting a little bit thick. Okay, so let's take a look and let's get started. Right now we have $100 left over from gas. I spent a lot of time at home instead of driving into work this last 2-week period. And then we've got 20, 40, 60 left over. But again, I will be rolling over my spending. I'm saving up so that I can do a little something for myself and paid my tithes. So that envelope is empty. All right. So let's see how much we're stuffing today. We've got 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 30, 50, 70, 90, 310, 330, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll be cash stuffing $409. For what's left over in gas, I think what I'm going to do is put a little extra money towards a bill. It's not often that I have a little something left over. So let's start with gas. Gas, we're stuffing 200. We've got 100, 150, 60, 170, 190, and 200. So $200 in gas. Guys, I'm going to recount that because my counting was off. 100, 150, 170, 190, 200. So yes, we've got $200 for gas. The kids, I put theirs on their debit card because we've got some things that's going to require using the debit card. For groceries, we are going to stuff 150. So for groceries, we are going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So let's make sure we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 150 for groceries this bi-weekly pay period. We've got $20 for spending. So we're going to add 20, which means that we now have 20, 40, 60, 80. And tithes, as I make additional money, I will put the money in there for my side jobs and my Etsy shop over this bi-weekly period. I automatically pay my tithes from my weekly paycheck via my bank account. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull out our Fri-Yay challenge. And let's see, we have for this bi-weekly period, we've got $16 and $23 that we are supposed to be stuffing. So 16 plus 23 is $39. So we're going to mark this off. And it looks like this is a 5 Friday month. So we have $30 that will be added along with $6 when we get paid again at the end of the month. That is going to be totally awesome. All right, so we've got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Let's be sure. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we've got $39 that we are adding. And right now in this envelope, which I know for a fact that I'm going to end up condensing and putting a placeholder, we have, see, 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So we're going to take this here and put in a $100 bill there. And then we've got 5, 10. So we're going to take this 5 and do a 10. So we've got 510, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're going to put these ones, replace it with a 5. So we should have $516. Let's be sure. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 10, 15, 16. That is awesome. So I think, yes, I'm definitely going to condense this. So we've got 500 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to put a $500 placeholder in its place and put these hundreds in my surplus reserve binder in the envelope for our hundreds. So let's see. So we've got 500 here, and we're putting a $500 placeholder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put here, it is 8/18 Fri-Yay, and this is in sinking funds, and we're going to do 500 because we have a $500 placeholder in there, and this is in my low priority. I think I just spelled priority wrong, but we'll think about that. That's in our low priority binder. So now we have a placeholder, and we've got 500, 10, 15, 16 in our Fri-Yay challenge here. I've already marked it off, so we are going to put that there. So now for this over here, we want to make sure that we still have $100. So let's do a count. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. I didn't do that right. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, you guys, we have cash stuffed our bi-weekly cash envelopes for our wallet today. Utilize our surplus reserve binder and our placeholders in order to condense our Fri-Yay challenge. And we have $100 that we will be paying towards the Chase Freedom card. As an inspirational quote for today, remember, every dollar you stuff is a step towards financial freedom. Stick with your budget, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. You got this, you guys. Have a great week.